Hello viewers, hope you have enjoyed our day 1, day 2 and day 3 videos of Banff National Park, Yoho National Park and Jasper National Park. In today's video, which is the day 4 or the last day at Canadian Rockies, we have experienced something which we never expected. So stay tuned till end of this video and let's explore it together.
On our last day, we checked out from HI Athabasca Wilderness Hostel. Before we start driving back to Banff Town, I'd like to show you this place and the facilities. Hope it would help you if you are planning to stay here. Rooms are having bunk and double beds. We booked the entire room and made it as a private room. It has a table, chair and mirror, pretty much everything what we need for 1 or 2 nights stay. This is the common hall, open 24 hours having all facilities. I'd say this place is like a 5-star hotel for backpackers and explorers. Then we started driving back from Jasper to Banff through Icefield Parkway. We planned to stop at various places. Suddenly things got changed. Cloud just covered everything. It was a different kind of thrilling experience driving through the dense cloud. It is so dense that it's hard to see few meters ahead. Gradually, the visibility went to almost zero. Still, we continued driving with caution. Who gonna believe this is the same Icefield Parkway which we showed in our day 2 video? This is one of the viewing point by the side of Athabasca River, but hardly we see any mountain or the color of water. On our way, stopped at Bow Lake and enjoyed this different kind of beauty. Looks like clouds are gradually fading away. This is the same Bow Lake which we have seen 2 days back. Here is the video. When the sky was clear. So when you are planning to visit, make sure you aware a little bit about the weather condition as it changes the view. Then we continued our driving and stopped at multiple places before reaching at Banff Town, and didn't wanted to miss any places, was trying to visit as many as possible. Oh, meanwhile weather has started getting better, so that's good. Finally we arrived at Banff Town. Ah, what a beautiful town surrounded by mountains. It's just amazing. Once we are here, how can we miss the iconic Fairmont Banff Spring? We enjoyed its beauty. We roamed around and enjoyed this beautiful town from different viewing points. We have spent some leisure time over here, went for shopping, had our lunch and enjoyed every moment. Then we started driving back to Calgary International Airport for our flight to Toronto. We carried bunch of golden memories with us. I would say those 4 days in Canadian Rockies were the best days in our travel diary. I am very happy to share these details with you all. Hope this gonna help you during your visit. Always write us in the comment section. If you have any queries, I'd be happy to help you. Like this video and share with all travel lovers. Subscribe to stay connected with us.